Welcome, in front of me is Google Pixel 10, and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your fingerprints correctly. So, let's set up a new fingerprint for your device. To do that, open the list of all applications, then go to Settings, then in Settings, select Security and Privacy, and here go to Device Unlock, find Fingerprint, enter your PIN code or password or lock screen pattern. Then let's remove the previous fingerprints that are enrolled on this device. Tap Delete. Now, before you add a new fingerprint, lock the screen of your phone and use a dry towel to wipe the surface of your device's screen to make sure that it's clean and smooth and the fingerprint reader reads your fingerprints properly. Okay, so be very gentle and careful, and once you're done, let's go to Fingerprint again, press I agree, then click Start. And what you have to do is touch and hold the fingerprint sensor with the finger you want to use to unlock your device. Use firm touches so that your fingerprint scanner reads your fingerprints better, and try using different parts of your fingerprints. Now, one more thing before we proceed. If you cannot succeed doing that, then check if your device has any screen protection on it. As you can see, this phone does have a glass screen protector, and it still doesn't interrupt the fingerprint recognition process, but make sure that if you have a screen protector, then it's better. Then make sure that you're using an original screen protector, or if you're not using an original one, at least make sure that it's at least a thin one, so it doesn't interfere or interrupt the fingerprints adding process. Now, if you cannot add a fingerprint due to your screen protection, just remove the screen protection, then add a fingerprint, and then use a different screen protection glass. I really recommend using an original one. Okay, so once you're done, click Done, then go back to Settings, and then select Software, select not Security and Privacy, but System, and then in System you have to go to Software Updates section, open it, and then where it says System Update, tap on this option, then check for update, see if your device has any updates, and if it does, then take your time and install all the required updates for your device. Then your phone will restart and you'll be able to check whether your screen fingerprint unlock feature works. So once you checked everything, press power button and the volume up button at the same time, select Restart, then wait until your phone is rebooted, and then we're gonna check the fingerprint unlocking feature. And once your device is restarted, first unlock it using your PIN code or password or lock screen pattern, then wait for it to start up, lock your screen, and try to unlock it using your fingerprint. Press firmly on the sensor. Okay, it worked for me the first time. Let's try it a couple more times. And as you can see, everything works perfectly. And that's it. I hope that your fingerprint issue was solved too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.